Hey guys, welcome into the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. November is just around the corner and we've just had the news. The Federal Reserve has announced its second interest rate cut of 2025, reducing rates by 25 basis points. And I believe I read somewhere in December this could be also happening again. So pretty interesting to see this particular news here, regarding the Federal Reserve side of things. And how can we next see the move for Bitcoin? What could Bitcoin be doing in November? What numbers am I looking out for? What other coins could do well in December as well? Stick around for this video. Do hop inside the crypto Discord channel that I've got down below. It's free to join. One of the hottest crypto communities that you'll ever find, I would hope to think. And how are we doing? So gold, 21 trillion. It's actually up 0.46% today. You can see Nvidia is up as well. Apple up a little bit, as well as Google up a little bit. Silver also climbing up the ladder about 1%. Bitcoin is actually lagging. It's down 3%. So Bitcoin still a top 10, asset, so to speak, commodity, whatever you want to call it. But it is slipping away slightly. So it's not doing as great as we'd want it to do. But of course, on a 5 or 10 year period, it is one of the biggest growers that exists. Now we can see gold is in a corrective phase according to this particular chart. We could see gold come a bit lower before it goes back up, and we expect it to go lower around sort of Q1, Q2 of 2026. Now we don't know for sure when this will happen, but for sure, I would like to see gold come down. I would like to see a rotation of capital into the crypto markets, into Bitcoin, and into hopefully altcoins as well. Now we can see, looking at the day for crypto, we have a few green coins, not the best coins. We've got Zcash, we've got Trump coin. I'm not really a fan of this one anymore. We've also got a lot of red coins at the same time, but the week is primarily green. The month hasn't really been that good for the crypto, the blockchain environment. So, yeah, guys, this is what we're waiting for. We're waiting for some sort of move, a key confirmation out of this hole for Bitcoin. Now we have tons of support for Bitcoin written in at $103,000. 103K is a very, very big area for support right now. So if we do pull back down, 103K is going to be a very, very sensitive region. That's where we dropped to on the 10th of October when we had the big liquidation grab. Now with this divergent symmetrical channel here, we want to see Bitcoin break up higher. We want to see 127K. If 127K happens, that's the next all-time high, and that could be a big target. This could be a very realistic target here, a very good price target for the bulls. Of course, on the bearish downside, 103K is still that threatened level. $108,000 is still that threatened level if you're going to look at these smaller time frames. Of course, zoom out, Bitcoin looking great, still looking super strong. We're still at the very, very tip of the iceberg. We're at the very top of the mountain and we're still looking super strong. We're in the top band of the logarithmic regression. And at the end of the day, we're still in bull mode. We're still absolutely in bull mode. Ideally, $150,000, $160,000 is where I'd like to see this bull run completely finish. But it's difficult to say because every cycle sees diminishing returns. Guys, as well, if you want to get into the VIP alphas, if you want to have resources, access to trading signals and juicy things that could help you grow in the market, have a look at my Patreon. It's listed down below. We've got a bunch of different tiers that you can choose from, which are at different price levels for you guys as well. So you can see there's a few, but please do your own homework and have a little look down below. And thank you very much to all the existing subscribers as well. Now, what about 3 altcoins I'm personally bullish on right now? But the first one is Humanity Protocol, the human layer of Web3. Your identity, your rules. From secure logins to bot prevention, your identity works where you need it. So this is actually a project I found in Singapore. I was looking around Singapore and I saw these guys. I was thinking, wow, this is crazy. They wanted to scan my hand and I could sign up my identity or something like this, right? And I didn't really want to do it. But looking at that price action, it's been very, very juicy since the show. They've actually pumped from around $50 million, market cap, all the way up to 150 million when they were exhibiting, and they pumped all the way to 824 million. So I personally think this project could see another run, and I think it could, if we get a full-blown alt season again and a bull run, I personally think Humanity Protocol could hit 50 cents at some point. I do think by 2030, over $1 per coin. One thing to factor in, circulating supply, 21.7%. Typically a little bit bearish, but this isn't a massive coin. This hasn't gone completely viral yet, but it is certainly really cool. Biometric verification, own your identity, stay verified, stay safe. Humanity Protocol is reimagining identity for the AI age, decentralized, biometric, and privacy first. So really, really cool. That's coin number one, ladies and gents. Coin number two we got over here is Hedera, HBAR. One of the big caps, which had a very good run lately. It came up to 0.21 and has corrected since because it was very, very overbought in the market. You can see this is quite apparent and quite clear according to these charts. It did actually retest 0.20 twice, but has now come back down a whole good few percent. So it's down 7.5% on the month. And on the year, you can just see how volatile this token has been on its market capital, but also its price action. But I do think Hedera HBAR is a good shot at getting back above $10 billion plus in the next 3 months if the market does, spin back into green. Would be hopefully looking very good. If you guys are looking for somewhere to trade as well, with massive staking bonuses up to 11% APR on Tether, up to 100% APR on Ethereum, 100% APR on Bitcoin, you can check out Bitchinix. Link is down below. This is a great centralized exchange I like using for spot trading, leverage trading, and generally just enjoying my lifetime in the, the crypto space. It's a good one. Do like it. Very liquid, secure, and you can sign up in a few seconds, guys. We'll try to bring you the best. So if you do sign up with our link, there could be some bonuses waiting as well. Next coin we have is a privacy anonymity token. It's Zcash, encrypted electronic cash, the first crypto to develop ZK knowledge encryption. $340 today. That's not too bad. And we've been looking at this coin for a while. It's certainly in a strong uptrend, even during the market volatility that we're seeing right now. So it hit 5.69 billion, came down to 4.9 billion, and we're sitting at 5.53 billion right now. $339. That's where we recently were hitting, but 345 is where we were recently as well. So there's a chance we come down to $330. There's a chance we can go up to $360, But for me, I think looking at market capital alone, 5.45 billion, it's at a massive all-time high. I wouldn't be aping in, but I think this shows that by the time it does correct, and if it does correct, it's a coin that could serve a massive future in the crypto space. It's got massive utility and fundamental value. Zcash is supported by industry leaders. Zcash is available in trusted digital wallets and listed on high-quality exchanges around the world. But yeah, guys, this is really good because people like this stuff. It's fast, low, secret messages, you're in control, it's a decentralized protocol, and it's also end-to-end encryption as well. This is part of their feature and use case scenario. So guys, that's about a wrap really. We've had the 25 basis points. The market is looking kind of rocky on the day. Bitcoin is slipping away, but we are seeing some other stocks and gold and metals go up. And Bitcoin, hopefully, will do something exciting in the next month or two. We want to see 127K. If you think we can get there, let us know down in the comments what your prediction is. Please like, subscribe to the channel, share with a friend, check out the Discord down below, and check out all those other juicy things. We'll see you very soon. Take care. And remember, not financial advice. See you soon.